In today's video, I am going to teach you how to integrate Ringcentral with Zoho CRM. This integration helps you connect communication features to your customer records, so your team can work more smoothly inside Zoho CRM. To get started, you will be working within Zoho CRM settings, where you can install and authorize the Ringcentral telephony integration. First, open Zoho CRM and look to the top right corner for the Setup area. You will click Setup, which is represented by a gear icon. Taking this step is important because the integration options are managed through the system configuration area, not from the main dashboard. When you select the gear icon, a setup menu should appear, and you will now be able to navigate to the telephony section. Next, within the setup menu, find Telephony under the Channels section. Click Telephony so that you can view the telephony integrations available for Zoho CRM. This is where Zoho groups communication-related connectors, including tools like Ringcentral. Once you are on the telephony page, you will see an option to search for integrations. Now, search for Ringcentral using the search bar. Type Ringcentral into the search field, then click Install on the Ringcentral integration result. This step installs the connector so Zoho CRM knows which service you want to connect. If the search returns multiple results, make sure you select the one labeled for Ringcentral and then choose Install. After you click Install, the system may take a moment to prepare the authorization flow. After the integration is installed, you will be prompted to authorize it. Click Authorize on the integration page. This step matters because authorization is what links your Zoho CRM account with your Ringcentral service. Without authorization, Zoho CRM cannot communicate with Ringcentral, and features related to calls and contact activity will not work properly. At this point, an authorization window or pop-up will appear. In the pop-up window, you will log in with your Ringcentral credentials. Enter your login information carefully in the fields shown on screen. Then click Allow to approve the connection. Take a moment during this step to confirm you are logging into the correct Ringcentral account, since authorization typically ties the integration to that specific account. Once you click Allow, the pop-up will close or return you to the Zoho CRM integration page. You should then be able to see that the Ringcentral integration is active or connected, depending on how Zoho displays the status. If you see a status indicator such as connected, authorized, or a confirmation message, that is your sign that the authorization completed successfully. With Therapedon to Minsinkin for Sujan immediately, wait a few moments and refresh the page if needed. Sometimes the integration status updates with a short delay. The key point is that you should end up with a completed authorization state, meaning Zoho CRM has permission to access Ringcentral services for telephony features. With that done, your Ringcentral integration is set up inside Zoho CRM. Your next work can focus on how you want the telephony functionality to behave within your CRM workflow. But the essential integration steps are complete once installation and authorization are finished. That covers everything you need to know, and that is all there is to it.